So today I'm going to show you how to build a snowshoe. So first thing you need is like a green pine branch. It's not too thick so it can bend. So first take all these branches off and save them. And then now you have this, so you can bend it down. And so now you're going to take string and tie this to this end right here so it stays in that shape. So this is like what the tie looks like at the bottom, so you can see like it's wrapped that way, and then or wrapped this way first and then that way, like a cross pattern. Okay, so now that we've got both of our frames like this, now what we're going to do is take like a bunch of these pine boughs that we have right here, and so we take one like this, and there's a little like V right here. Put that at the top, notch it like that. We're going to tie it, and we'll tie like maybe 3 or 4 main branches this way, and then we'll just weave in all the other ones so it makes like a nice bed for your foot to rest on. Okay, so now that you tied some two at the top, kind of like you tied the one at the bottom, you can take other ones. This one's kind of small, but you can weave more branches like in between these to make more stuff like that. And then you can put a ton in and you'll have a pretty good snowshoe. Okay, so for strapping our feet in, we're going to use bungee cords. So just strap these. We weaved a bunch of stuff in. This bungee cord is way too big.
Just double it. Bueno. I can do it if you need a bigger foot. And then there's mine. Stuff will be falling out.
That. And there.
Nice. Mine has already broken, but hers hasn't.
Hey, they help a little.
Yeah, they do. They help. You're good in a pinch.